So I put the hose to the bottom of the mulch. I'll be putting it down there too. I already made it. I just need to cut that hose a little bit shorter, probably half a foot. I'm just checking to see how it's gonna look before I put everything back together. Right here. So I'm gonna put two. This one right there. I'll be running that all the way through the edge right here. All through the corner of that. And that one. Whoop. I wanna probably be putting it when we're here, foot away from the blocks. I'll just be watering. I got a small lawn, so hopefully it'll work. So I went ahead and got my Rainbird automatic timer. I just put it on right now. This part right here is this one. It's gonna be 3/4 to 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch ID. So you can put it to the hose. I haven't put it in yet to the ground right there, but I'll be doing it. From right there, it starts going, heating. It goes through there again. It's already I hide it already. I have two of them. Put the timer for 1 minute. Oh, already turned off. Okay, I reset it. Put it to 2 minutes now. So I'm only watering this right here. I still got more to adjust. The water comes up to sidewalk over here. That's what I wanted, to get water right here. Right now it's 1 p.m. so it's kind of hot. So that's why I just turned it on for 2 minutes. So that's what I'm watering right now. I think I'll be adjusting this one right here. I like it, pretty good. Didn't have too much trouble putting them on. So I put the timer at 8 p.m. I might put it in the morning when we go to work, so the cars won't get wet if they're too close by. I don't know. But yeah. And they're about to turn off. They got like 6 more seconds. Let's see. There you go. Thanks for watching.